It's time to put some juice in it. Пришло время залить силы какой-то в мотор. Time to put some power into the fuel tank. Boring. Скучно смотреть, как льется бензин. It's like watching your dollars just float away. Красивый. It's got a nice cream color to it. I like it. I don't know what I like more, but I like it. I want to open up these windows a little more and put a window in the door too. Будем открывать окна. Больше окна буду делать. Не нравятся мне такие маленькие окошки. Бессмысленно. They pointless. These are small windows. In my opinion, these are most comfortable jerry cans. I don't know if this branded or what. There's some information in the jerry can. Can you see it? Let's see. You can't see it. Right there. If this gives you any ease to search it. Honestly, I don't remember where I bought them. Я даже не помню, где я их купил. Еще баночку заливать. Еще конечно. So the beauty of these jerry cans. Красота этой jerry can, что so you close it up, right? I mean, you got the breather hole. Obviously, you don't have to take the whole thing out. I just how I do it. But it comes with this guy, right? And then you just flip it, put it in. And it's all one unit. I've had these cans probably since my first LJ. Эти у меня канистры еще с LJ, от первого атамана, from the first of Ottomans. And I've not had any problems with them. For all the times that I've used them, never, no crackling, no issues, no leaks, nothing. I mean, I used and abused, but so far so good. Еще на Snowcat, even get to use them on this cat, you know. Beautiful. Now the fun time comes. Put the new battery in, need to check oil, which I was told was put fresh by the previous, I'll say, owner of the cat. with the person that bought it from the guy that restored it. And his name was Bill Guthrie. He's the belated owner of a company called Snow Trans in Weiser, Idaho. So for all those who know Bill, this is the cat that he worked on before he left us. I'll just leave it at that. He was a very, very knowledgeable man. Actually, I bought my first cat from him. I don't know if you guys knew or not. Я купил свой первый снегоход, первый Катьку, первую Катьку. Я купил именно у хозяина, у человека, который строил этот Snowcat. There it is. Good idea maybe is to replace these rings that come on these bolts and on all the seams, seals or whatever, seam seals. There's two of them, one on the main cap and one on this breather. So we got fuel. Let's see what we're going to do next with this. Need to get a rag, check the fluids, and let's open up the radiator to see what's the case there. Looks like it was just water, but it is probably dry. So let's see if we can hose it up and see what happens there. So let's see. Battery stuff. Let's see how's oil doing. That was good. Looks like it's all there. Just to be on the safe side, turn the battery off. This is it. Okay, bring the hose over. Let's see what comes out of there. Get rid of the rusty water. Пишем, промываем. Flush the radiator. There was all water inside before. So clamp it down. And refill.
Да? Let's refill it.
The reason I'm using water is that I'm gonna run it, warm it up, and then drain it when it cools down, and probably do it multiple times. Plus, probably I want to run a good, what you call it, radiator flush to get rid of all the rusty stuff. So it'll be a good idea. Good. So on the cold, you want to open it. This, that, this. Так. Oil we checked. The water, this thing's gonna rattle, so we'll move everything aside a little bit. Okay, let's see. Quick wipe out some of the carb. So we got the fuel, which is coming through here, and there's a manual pump. Choke opened up. Let's try it. Будем сейчас заводить, блин. Let's try starting it. Sorry, I'm repositioning the camera a little bit. I don't know. Is it gonna be live or what? Так. Exciting time. Yeah, there you go. Pump a little gas, eh? Неудобно, not very comfortable to do it. Find some starter fluid. Пойдем найдем какой-то жидкости прыснуть. So I didn't have any starting fluid. I found jerry can with some fuel. Just a tad. Оп. Just a hair. Трошечки бензинчика. Are we recording or we're not? Yeah, we're recording it. Bring it closer to the monster. Are you ready? It's gonna probably crank up, but so it's manual fuel pump, да? Это насос-то мануальный, не электрический, поэтому долго. Ну, let's try again. What's it called? Заслонку на всю, на холодную. So not throttle. What's that? The thing you open up on the carb when it's cold. Okay, let the excitement come down. Завелись! Ёперный театр. So I need to secure some components and probably let it idle up and see where it gets me. Everything is rattling, so давайте я вам сейчас. So you hear this? So everything is kind of loose. Has not been connected, insulated, whatever. So everything is rattling right now, which is normal. Water level is good. Так. We do have oil in there, as far as I understand. Ooh, I have no idea what this is. Front, this way. So it's kind of breather some sort. But it's running, it's kind of dirty in here. I was suggested to put a double barrel carbon here. But this has been rebuilt, I think. Remanufactured Holly carb, single barrel from what I've been told. So it's been updated on that. So let's see, I'm gonna get some zip ties, connect some of the wiring up so I'm not shorting anything, and let it run again. So quick walk around and kind of clarify some information. This is an early 1950s Frandee Model E Snowcat. They were built by university out of Utah, the University of Utah or whatnot. I think it was actually in like Logan, Utah somewhere. So the cat was restored previously by a different person before me, who passed on, but that was the same gentleman. His name was Bill Guthrie. He was the one who sold me my first Snowcat. So Frandee comes from Mr. France and Mr. I think it's Divine or Divin. So those two gentlemen, they were the ones that designed it. So this is technically probably it's like the grandfather or great grandfather of Thiokol family. Just something to keep in mind. Ancestor of the Thiokol family, the DMC and the LMC Snowcats. Because from here on they went into business with Thiokol, I believe. So anyways, so Frandee comes from last name France and Divine, so Frandee if you get it. This is the Model E. This is the last one, I believe. Some call them the Model E, some call them Frandee Sno Shu Model E. I'm not sure if the snowshoe was only for the ones that had the option of the drop down ski in the front with the steering wheel in the front there. But in my case, that's not the case as far as having this the shoe in the front or the ski in the front. So anyways, the way this thing works is it's four-wheel drive technically. So front wheels turn and then rear wheels turn. There's two solid axles in the front. They're off a 1950s GMC pickup. They're pretty heavy-duty axles. It's a drum brake system. So as you see, the brakes go here and then they go right in the middle there and they go up for the steering stick. So the left side is joined and then the right side is joined. So when you pull on the left lever, these two tires, the front and rear, lock up, making you turn to the left, if that makes sense. So that's how it turns. So рулим мы тем, что блокируется это колесо и то колесо на одной линии тормозной, да? And the brake cylinder is here. И вот сюда оно идет. It is a 3-speed automatic, no, 3-speed manual. Since this was this whole thing utilized a 1926-27 Ford Model T cowl, so this is original cowl from a Ford Model T, an original dash. I'm not sure what the transmission's from. I'm not sure on the engine yet. I'll get that information a little bit later. For sure, but as far as I am aware, this is an industrial GMC motor. This is an inline 6, линейная шестерка индустриального GMC мотора 50-х годов. I believe this would be the oil probably. That's the starter. Fuel pump, which is leaking in my case right now. Anybody who watched the video from earlier, the live session, so what was going on is the fan was making some noise and I think I found the problem. It's rubbing right there. I think that's what is making the noise. So I'm thinking of probably upgrading to double barrel carb here, and then also considering upgrading the ignition to the electronic kind. So those two upgrades are coming up for sure. Next step is to work on the tracks. Those I started already taking them apart, so I need to get the belting lined up and all the rest of the stuff. And then put the glass in, finish up the interior, and this should comfortably sit 6 people, 2 in the front, 4 in the back. I'm gonna open up the windows a little bit more. It is gonna remain this cream color. It's kind of like yellow cream color. I've been told that this is a very similar color to the 50s style pickups. So the previous owner, they put on this Timberline Lodge sticker on that because they work closer with them. For those who know them, they'll know what I'm talking about. And the same person put this to kind of sway everybody, make everybody feel kind of like, what the heck? So anyways, so this is the Snowcat. That's how it's done. This is how it was built originally, and it was restored to specs. So everything about it is, you know, original per se. So here we go. If you guys have any questions, track tension is done by these Zerks here, and it's hydraulically adjustable by putting the grease in there. So качаем солидол туда, и получается выходит задний мост назад, и так натягивается гусеница. So that's about it. So this is a quick overview of Frandee Model E Snowcat. Another project in Nixon Overland family. So Bud Nixon, everybody, peace. Have a good weekend.